So with the rupee touching briefly 80 to the dollar, the big question on everyone's lips is, is the dollar strength going to continue? And if not, what could weaken the dollar? It's been something investors have been looking at for the last few years, and it really just hasn't come to the fore in terms of any dollar weakening. There's two factors which could bring the dollar down from the current levels that we see today. First of all, and we think this is the crucial point, is that the Federal Reserve will go on pause in terms of interest rate hikes by October of this year. And that will mean the interest rate differentials around the world will start to change. And with that, the Federal Reserve will then be looking, maybe to reduce interest rates going into 2023. We think this will be the turning point. Now, it doesn't necessarily mean that, the kind of euro or the pound or the rupee will appreciate very, very quickly, but we think this will be the turning point where the dollar starts to depreciate. So from here, we think the risk reward for the dollar is on the downside rather than the upside. I think the second point, which would be helpful to bring in the dollar down from its current levels, would be if there's any peace brokered between Ukraine and Russia, because obviously that would ease a lot of pressure on the oil price going forward. And again, that would be more negative for the dollar going forward. So these are the two crucial factors. We think that the real factor we can bake in is that the Federal Reserve will pause or start cutting rates in 2023, and that will bring about the fall in the dollar towards the back end of the year.